Morning everyone, it is Wednesday, sorry I was going to say Tuesday, it's not, it's Wednesday the 6th of May today, and it is currently 9:17 AM. Me and Hudson, who is just deciding whether he wants to come in or stay out at the moment. He's just on the step. I've purposely had to put lots of things in front of the door because he's got a bit of an obsession with opening and closing doors at the moment, which is really not fun, to be honest with you. It's very frustrating. But anyway, so I've got a drink with me. I've got a bowl of strawberries. Like, I am ready for this task I'm about to tackle. So I need to sort out my room basically. My drawers are an absolute mess. I need to reorganise them and sort them out, mainly because of this one. I mean, I'm not particularly tidy anyway in my own drawers where no one can see, so that is also a problem. Like, I don't put stickers back and foils and stuff. I just throw them in a drawer and get them out of my way. So that is my problem as well. But obviously I'm trying to do all this while he is with me. So we'll see how that goes. Probably going to take 3 times as long. Probably won't have the best outcome because he'll just move stuff as I put it back. But we'll see how we get on. I've decided that I need to film whilst he's with me. As I just don't have time basically, because I'm basically with Hudson or working or asleep. So obviously I can't film when I'm asleep. I can film clients, I just need to get around to getting back into the hang of that. And then otherwise I just need to film when I'm with him basically. So that is what I'm going to do. So he's currently just stole my lint roller, but that is something I can let him play with because it won't hurt him and I don't need it right now. He's just talking into it. So let's get on with it basically. So I'm going to show you what my drawers look like at the moment, and then we can get on with actually sorting them out. So this is what we're working with. I'm not proud of it, but every drawer is just chaos basically. So everything needs to be sorted. Like, these are meant to be in that container and stuff. I just haven't got around to sorting that out. I do need to hoover and stuff like that, but I'll do that when everything inside everything is tidy and clean. So that is that drawer, absolute state. I used to spend quite a bit of time after every client like tidying up, but obviously I don't do that anymore because as soon as I finish a client I need to go back to parenting straight away. So there just isn't the time that I used to have anymore. That's not meant to be in there, of course. That's meant to be on my coffee station. But as you can see, there's just lots of stuff everywhere, and I need to sort that out. That one's a bit pointless drawer. I don't really use that much. And then there's lots of loose foils that are supposed to be in my foil folder. So he's already helping out by making more mess, which is fantastic. But yeah, I'm going to put you in my holder and then you can see what I'm doing as I do it. Sometimes I will talk through what I'm doing, and then sometimes I'll just do it like on a time lapse or sped up. Okay, Hudson is currently outside, so I have approximately 5 seconds before he comes back and I have no peace again. So what I am going to do as well is clean the bottles as I go along, or at least just get off the majority of the dust. Because even though they're in drawers, they do still get very, very dusty. So I'm just going around with a cotton pad, cleaning off as much as I can, and then popping it back in. So I'm just gonna, oh gosh, I'm going to do that on a time lapse because that's going to take a while, and I'm not actually reorganising anything. I'm just taking it out, cleaning it and putting it back in. Okay, first drawer is now done. That is all nice and neat. We've got all my builders, spare builders. Sorry, no, they're my builders. These are my spare builders. These are all just like special effects or different top coats, things like that. Buffers and bits, and then files and excess brushes. So that drawer is now done. I was interrupted quite a few times, so we're now on 9:42. It took me half an hour to do one drawer because Hudson just cannot unfortunately keep his hands off things. So yeah, it's taken longer than I wanted to, but it's fine. I've got all day. I'm not in any rush, thank God. So let's get on to the next drawer. I'm gonna again do it sped up. I think I might just do that for every drawer, because it'll just take ages and ages if I don't do that. And I've got my other drawers as well, like my wide ones to sort out that I've got all my glitters in, and that will take ages. So I think I'm going to time lapse every drawer and then talk to you about it and like show it you after, like I have with this one. So let's get into it. Okay, next drawer is done. We've got a visitor for this drawer. He's sitting on my lap because he thinks he's missing out. So we've finished this drawer now. I've popped all my builders and hard gels in this, all my potted builders and hard gels in this drawer here because I'm sick of gluing down to get them. We've got matte top coat, blooming gel, Cat's Eye, like all the Gel Box UK special effects top coats, blah, blah, blah. My peel off base coat, and then 3 other glittery top coats from the Gel Box UK. I'm also going to pop another couple of bits and bobs in here that I don't use that often. So first of all will be this adhesive gel. I literally never use that. In fact, I'm going to throw that away because that is quite literally pointless to me.
Mom.
Hold on 1 second. So I'm just going through a drawer that is opposite me. So we've got an anti-chrome top coat. Let me just see if that fits. Yes, it does. It. Yes, it does. So I'm putting my anti-chrome top coat in there, and that is, oh, I don't know if you can see it. That is this one. I'm going to put the gel bottle, oh, that's not going to fit, is it? No, that is really, really very annoying that they are so tall. So that doesn't fit, so I'm going to have to lie that down a little. How I'm going to do that, I don't know. So that can lie down like that, but then this doesn't fit, which is very annoying. Move that. Lie down on an angle. There we go, that can go there. What is that? That is a sculpting gel, so that can stay in there as well. And then I think that'll be it for that one, because I don't think much else is going to fit. I've also bought recently, but not actually told anyone yet. Ta, thank you, good boy. That's it. Yeah. Sorry, it's just on my, what's it called? Acetone bottle. So this is the Born Pretty Chrome Base. I haven't used it yet, so I need to use that in a video. They didn't send this to me, by the way. I actually bought this myself, just because everyone's raved about it. So I thought I might as well use it. So this is the Ocean Wave Watercolour Liquid. I'm going to pop that in there because that's like a special effect as well. Can I have the acetone? Thank you. Can I play with that? Okay, sorry, I just had to take the acetone off him again, but I've given him some food, so that should keep him going for about 30 seconds. So I'm going to put the chrome base in there, and hopefully that all fits. Yes, it does. So that is what that drawer looks like. I'm quite happy with how that's turned out. That is a drawer that I will turn to a lot for the builder gel at least. This is the next one, and it is all my stamping plates and folders. It looks really messy, but it's actually a really quick drawer to clean up. It just looks worse than it is, basically, because all the folders obviously are easy. I just need to put things back into folders, so I need to pick all the individual stuff up that I've just thrown back in here and put all of that all away. That's what takes the time. But in terms of actually, sorry, I know my hair is in the way there, but I can't move very differently at the moment because I'm pregnant and got a toddler on my lap, which is very helpful for this particular type of video. So yeah, I'm finding all of the individual sticker sheets and foils and stuff that are all hiding out, that I've thrown back after use and not put back where they're meant to be. And then once I've got them all out, I can just pop them where they're meant to be. Can't pick this up. There we go. Yeah, and everything else in here is pretty easy to sort out, really. As much as it doesn't seem like it, because they are literally just thrown in. But all the big plates, of course, I need to put together, and then all the little plates I need to put together, and then all will be well in this drawer. So let's time lapse it again. Okay, third drawer is now done. So we are doing okay. It's now 10 past 10. So it took me nearly an hour to do 3 drawers, but you know, I'm working with a 20-month-old, so that's why. So this is the first drawer again. That's the second, and then this is the third. This one is making me so happy because honestly, this was the one that was really driving me mad. Because of my own messiness. It is my fault, but you know, it's still annoying. So here is where we're at with this one. I don't think I really need to do that much with this drawer, to be honest. Sorry, you can't even see it. Because there's not really that much in it. It's just like these slide bells and cat size. So I don't really need to do all that much with that. There's a few cuticle oils there, which is very random, but yeah, this draw's pretty, it is what it is. I don't really need to do that much with it, to be honest with you, so that's good. And the bottom one is just, again, random stuff. So this side is done, thank God. Hello, so I've decided, I haven't decided, I have just physically, mentally, emotionally, all sorts of beliefs, lost the will to live. So we're finished for today. Well, not for today, but for this video at least, because Hudson is unfortunately not able to let me get on with anything. So he's either outside calling me, or he's inside taking things off me, or playing with things he can't have, or, you know, just basically doing what a toddler does. So I think this idea of me getting stuff done with him, there is a reason I haven't done that basically up until now. So I've got some hair stuck behind me, it's really annoying me. So yeah, there's a reason I haven't done it. There is a reason I'm not continuing to do it. So I think I'm going to do this video in 3 parts. I usually make these videos quite long, like they're usually like 30 to 40 minutes, but I've decided that instead of doing 1 long video, I'm going to do 3 like maybe 10 to 15 minute videos instead. So obviously this one's going to be like 12, 13 minutes. It's not very long at all, but you know, that's just what we're working with at the moment. Toddler life is just, yeah, it's fun, sort of. So yeah, that's this video. The second part will be the other side of my desk drawers, and then the third part will be my wider drawers on the other side of the room, basically. So 3 lots of drawers to do. But yeah, that is all we're going to do for today. So I hope you enjoyed this video so far, part 1 of 3, and I'm back basically. I've sorted out my storage problem on my phone, and I'm putting the effort in to find the time to get back onto YouTube, because I do actually miss it. I didn't think I would, because it felt like a stress when I was doing it, but I think now I've had time apart from it and had time off having to stress about it, I've realised that I did actually enjoy parts of it, so that's good. I mean, I needed that realisation to be able to get back into it properly. So here we are. The rest of today I'm not really doing a lot. I'm literally just, I've got a haircut at 2:45. Jordan is getting home for 2:30. I'm going to a haircut at 2:45 because it's just around the corner, and then I'm back and doing nails after that tonight until about 7:30. So that is today's plan. Then I'll have dinner, then I go to bed, and then it will start again tomorrow. So yeah, I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're all good. And that's it from me. So bye.